Right. I want to quickly make this video for to show you a design that I'm going to make, and I want to make a design for one of my businesses. So I want you to follow me one step at a time, one step after the other. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Canva application. So once I open my Canva application, I want to make it to look like an Instagram post. So I'm going to be clicking on the Instagram post. So let me see. I'll just pick any of this. Let me see. Let me search for business. Let me search for business. Okay. I'm looking for something that will be related to business and will give me the quality I want. Okay. I think I love the first picture. Let me go for the first one. Let me go for this one. I love the way it is and it is free. So we click on edit. If you don't like this, you can come down here. You see stuff that look almost the same. They are of the same pattern. You understand? So you can come here and search for them. But I think I prefer this. Let's continue with it. So you click on edit. So once I click on edit, I believe you can see what I'm clicking. I clicked on edit. I searched for business. After searching for business, the next thing I did was to click on this particular design, and I was ready to go with it. I don't need all these pictures here, so I'm going to delete all of them. So follow me. Okay, so I have a plain paper for my design. So what I want to put in this particular part is I want to put business registration. So look at it. Business, but you can see that it's not included. So let me edit it to make it see the look perfect. Okay, so let me adjust the size. Okay, I think it fits in this way. Let me press let's use 39. Let's see. Okay, 39 is okay. I think let me go for 40. Let's see how 40 is going to look like. Okay, 40 is good. I think 40 is good. So okay. So you can see what I'm doing, but you can see that I'll shoot this box. So I'll click on the box and find a way to expand the box. So let me click on this background box. Oh, I think the box is together with the design. All these things I'm deleting now, they are hidden on the page on this page. So I'm looking for how to highlight. Okay, that's how the design is. But if I'm okay with it, I can leave my design that way. And if not, I can proceed. So okay, so the next thing here, I want to outline what I do. So the first one is business name registration. Second one is company registration. Third one is incorporated trustees. So I would like to put the prices of each of them. This one is 20,000 naira, 1 2 3 naira. Then for this one is 50,000 naira, 1 2 3 then naira. And this one is 100,000 naira, 100, 1 2 3 naira. Okay, so I think I'm okay with that. Once I'm okay, I tick it. So I want to expand it so that it will be bold again. Okay, so what I want to use this green part is green part for. I want to use the green part to. I want to place some pictures there. So I don't have the pictures yet. So I'll go to my Google. The kind of pictures I want to use are pictures of certificates. So I'll come to Google now and I will search for CAC certificate, certificate, certificate sample. Okay, sample. You see that certificate sample. So once I click on that, it's going to load and bring pictures of CAC certificates for me. Okay, you can see example. So I will go to images so that I can have more pictures. Click on images here. I believe you can see what I'm pressing. Images. So once I click on images, it's going to load and bring out the different samples. I have some on my phone, but I want to use the ones that I found online. So let me see this one. I'll click on it. Let me change my browser to desktop so that I'll be able to show everything. Okay, better. I love it this way. But you can download. Don't worry about what I'm doing now. Just make sure you can download any of the pictures. Okay. I think let me download this one. This one is okay. So any picture you're able to download them. Just make sure it is CAC certificate or whatever it is. So I'll allow it to load so that the quality resolution will be high. So then the next thing is I'll download it. I believe you know how to download a picture. So let me try downloading again. Download image. Okay, download. I want to download that. Then let me try another one again. Let me download this one as well. Let me download this. Download. Let me look for a few more. Okay, let me download this CAC logo as well because I want to use it. I have it already on my phone, but I would love to download another one for the sake of this training. Okay, download. So let me see. Okay, and I want a picture. I want to show you something here as well. I want a picture of an officially dressed lady. Officially dressed lady. There's something I want to show you. Okay, I'll click on images. Just the same way we did the other time. I want to do something. Okay, no. Let me look for a male. A man. Dressed man with suit. A man that is on suit. Okay. All right. Okay. I think I'm getting what I need from here. So I can use any of these pictures I'm seeing. So, but I want a black man. So, picture of an officially dressed. So I put black man. I don't like using all these American black man. Okay. So, see it. I'm not getting what I need. Okay. Okay. Let me see this one. If it will do what I want. Let Let me see if this picture will do what I want. Okay. I'm not getting the right result. I'm not getting the right result for what I want. Okay. Ah, I wish I can pause this video, but I can't. So let me um just proceed. Okay. Man in suit. I want something like that. Man in suit image. All right. Here we go. Let me use this one. I hope it doesn't have watermark on it. Oh, it does have watermark on it. It does have watermark on it. So, okay, let's use this one. I love the way it's pointing to something. So let's use it. Let me allow it to finish loading before I download it. Okay, so we cannot download it. I hold on to it. I click on download. I download. Now, another thing I want to show you here is this. And take note of this. Now, I want to show you how to remove background of pictures. So, come to here, search for background or remove.bg. You search for remove .bg. Then you click remove.bg. Then you click on it. It will help you to remove the background of the picture you are making use of. So if you want a plain picture, you can do it there. So let me upload the picture. I just finished downloading now. So this one, I don't want to see the white background. So done. So it will take its time. It will prepare to upload. It's uploading the image now. Once it's done uploading, then it will remove the background. You'll notice that there was a white background before, but the background will no longer be there again once it's done. Okay, you see that? So all the background is gone. So let me download what I want here. So I've downloaded it. So it's downloading. So let me go back to my Canva now. Let's go and continue our design. So all I need to do, remember that you can also search for pictures right from Canva. And what I've done now, you see that it brought me back to where I started from. So when you are faced with a situation like this, what you need to do is go back. Whatever you've done before has been saved. Click on design here. Design. So you see this chart untitled design. That was where I stopped. It will auto save everything I've done before. You understand? So you see that this is everything I've done. So don't be scared when you see that whatever you've done is gone. So let me add an image. Click on the plus sign and come to image. So you can see this one with black background is what I'm using. You can see that no background. Don't you like it the way it is now? Okay. So this is what I'm using. So you can see that it's coming out well. Okay, so now the next thing I'll do, I want to add more image. You come on, click on plus again. Now you don't just, because once you are here, you want to pick another image. No, don't do that. Click on the picture there. Sorry. Now click on the plus, this plus again. Then add another image. So I have certificates I want to add. Let me add this one first. So I want to add this logo first. Okay. Then you click on plus again. Do you understand? Click on plus again. And put another logo, another picture. This one again. I want this one to be here. Let me put it here. Then click on plus again. Do you see that? So if not, it will be replacing the picture you've selected before now. So this. Is that taken? So now I want to see if I can add more text to whatever I have, or let's leave it the way it is. So if I'm satisfied with my design, next thing I'll do is to save. So I want to arrange it this way. Okay, so once I'm done, if I'm okay with it, is it okay? Somehow, not really that okay, but something I can manage for a while, and I'll come back and make a better design. Okay, so once I'm okay with it, once I'm okay with it, I'll drag it to the center, bring this here, it's covering the mountain. Okay, so this one too can come here. Let me bring it in. So let's mark it and download. I believe you got this. So this is a bit lengthy video, so please take your time and make your design and make sure, let me see what you get at the end of the day. Thank you very much.